Race number 7 and they're off. Early lead is taken by Showmaster. It's Showmaster in the lead, followed by Owaki, Creation by the Rail, and Iconic on the outside. And heading for the backstretch, it's Showmaster in the lead, followed by Creation and Owaki, Iconic. Into the backstretch, Showmaster in the lead, followed by Owaki in second, and Creation, Iconic on the outside. And now the mid backstretch, the lead is taken over now by Owaki. It's Owaki in the lead, Iconic running in second, and Creation moving up on the inside, and moving up now Showmaster. But it's still entry number 2, Owaki leading the field, followed by Creation, and on the outside is Iconic and Showmaster. And nearing the far turn, it is still Owaki in the lead, followed by Creation, Iconic on the outside, and Showmaster. And rounding the far turn is Owaki in the lead, followed by Iconic on the outside in second, and Creation remains in third, Showmaster. The last bend for home, it is still Owaki by the rail, moving up on the outside, Iconic. It's Owaki, Iconic on the outside. It's now Iconic on the outside, and Owaki by the rail, and Creation closing in third. The top stretch, Iconic by 2.5 lengths, followed by Owaki and Creation on the further outside. But it's still Iconic in the lead. Iconic followed by Owaki on the outside. It's Iconic by the rail, and here comes Owaki moving up once again on the outside. Iconic by the rail, and Owaki and Creation on the further outside. And finally at the playoff line, it's a close finish between entries number 2, Owaki, and Creation. Number 4, Iconic, Showmaster.